Shamshuko. Punta kami dito guys. Dito yung ano guys, murang bilihan ng mga gamit. Kasi ama kasama ko kasi may bibilin din siya doon. Dito sa Shamshuko. Shamshuko. Guys, ikot muna kami ngayon kasi ano. So this Mother's Day. Si Mother's Day ngayon. Dito muna, mamaya kami. Kasi daming tao. Dito muna kami. Daming tao guys. Ayaw muna kami magkasiksikan dyan. Daming tao guys. Ito, nakipila yung mga tao guys. Dito pag Sunday. Ito sa Shamshuko. Yan siya ama mo. May bibilin daw siya dun. Mamaya na kami. Hindi pang tao. Wala pala akong mask. Saan yung mask ko? Mask tayo kasi ano, daming tao. Iwas-iwas ubo-ubo sipon. Iwas-iwas sa ubo at sipon. Hirap magkasakit. Asa papayat ng mga anak mo. Yan guys, parang lumuwang na. Atak na kami kasi lumuwang na yung ano. Okay guys, kami tao paglinggo. Saan yung ano ko? Tayo sana. Sana all seat. Sana all seat. Yung isa may dalang bulaklak. May dalang bulaklak. Sino kaya nagbigay sa kanya? May bulaklak siya guys, oh.
Sponsored by our building.
Buti pa sa inyo, may nag-sponsor. Pobre man namang building. Oy, wala mang pabulaklak yung black tree. Buti pa sa inyo, may yayamanin yung sa ano, sa black tree o sa black 4. Sa amin, walang sponsor ng bulaklak, kahit hindi man lang. My godness.
Kung kana galing, gusto ganay sa Chinese nga na ikindi-kindi na mahatag. Napuli hindi po sa kanan sa kuan, sa murag
Sa ano?
receptionist ba? Dahan kain hindi dito.
Sa inyo, ha?
Oh, dama ko na siya.
Yayamanin sa inyo banda. Sa amin, wala talaga. Yung mga bulaklak niya, wala. Wala dyan ta kasimba karon mau. O yun ta na bendisyonan.
Hindi man ta malagkot.
Haman ta managput dapet. Patingin ka akong bato. Naman siguro yung mas na ano hapon. Tayo na tama yung
Dito.
doon sa tagsimbahan. Uy. Doon sa tagsimbahan. Para magbindisyonan ito na atong pagkainahan ba? Yan sa kanunang kanabang. Yes, it's so hot. No more sun. You see the clouds? No more sun. No more sun.
So that you can make like visitor here, like tourists.
Oh, where are you from, madam?
Yeah.
Where are you from?
Exit dito and then turn left.
Ayan, then.
Yung pahinga, di ko pag-ginawa.
Kaya nga na. Ang init kasi po. Guys, grabe, ang daming tao. Where we go, madam?
Just straight ahead.
I just follow you?
Yeah. No. So, you know that the yellow and black, you can go inside.
Ah,
Yeah.
this.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Yeah, here.
Here. Oh my goodness. It's so crowded, madam.
Yeah, and then there's a
What's that?
very cheap
Nescafe is very cheap.
Like 25
Oh. Their product here, guys, is very cheap, guys. That's why very crowded.
Yeah, and if you play Tong Its,
Where is the?
there's a card.
The card.
咁你慳錢行啦，唔該啊。
Dito palang murang.
So if you have iPhone, you can
You choose
choose what's
what's
the iPhone.
dito pala yung mga guys, dito sa yung mga na cellphone, mobile accessories, dito yun guys. Oh, may mga bags,
Yeah, if you need batteries, there's a lot of batteries.
batteries.
And here is a
Oh, $5.
just like $5.
It's very cheap.
If you have like pasalubong and
$5 only guys. $5 bag, it's
if you have
$5.
pasalubong and you put the soap
yeah.
and the chocolate, you
Yeah.
must put it here so it's become social. Oh, there's a $3.
Oh, my $3. Oh my God. You see guys, it's very crowded here because the product is very cheap.
The tatay is so do-open me.
Tatay, umili pa siya bag. My God. Ito yung my goodness.
And if you want to go in here, you must watch your belongings. So there's a lot of dukot-dukot
Oh my
mandurok
God.
here.
My wallet is empty. No dukot-dukot.
No dukot-dukot. Okay.
No dukot-dukot because my wallet is empty.
Before I buy
How
this,
much that?
it's 49.
Oh, it's very cheap.
Before, but I lost one of this, so I just need to buy it.
Ah. Yeah. You vlog it. Walang trip.
So you
That's
must
good.
be
That's good. It's
yeah.
very good.
Yes.
Oh my God.
You must watch out the mandurokot here, okay? Save your dollar.
This area, guys, is very cheap, but beware to the mandurokot because you go in your house, your wallet is empty.
Ako'y nani, dugay ka nagguba.
May mag-try daw ko ani.
O, palitan na.
Kilas ako diha be.
You must choose the very beautiful bag.
Ah. What? Guys, bili ako ng $19 lang. Mag-try daw ko ani. Okay naman daw siya. Earbuds. Oh. 49. Yan nakatry na ka na. Yan siya guys. Oh. Earbuds. Ito na lang siguro. Ano yan? Mura ng nila dito. Yan, $19 lang siya. Naman siya, pangit na. Ito yata. Ano to? 49. Ito. 49 din. Mura lang na siya. Ito na lang. Kasi mayroon pa man akong isang doon. Ito lang i-try ko kasi may headset pa kasi ako. Saan yung ano? Why? Where are you? I'm here. My God, daming tao.
If you're going here, you must wear your mask because there's a lot of baho-baho ang
You put
hininga.
there in your basket. I will pay you later.
There's a baho-baho of hininga here.
Yes,
and
we have a very
kili-kili power here.
we have the Kili power is flying.
Yeah.
Oh,
You must need to wear mask.
You cannot.
So let's go.
Where we go?
This part.
Oh. My God. Ang lapad pala nito. Ang lapad pala ng tindahan na to, guys. Dito nakahinga na. My goodness. Ano yan? Sana tayo. Grabe pala dito, guys. Mura ng ang tindahan nila dito.
So if you want to
What's that? Yeah, kitchen utensils. Oh, you see that, guys? The prices of the kitchen utensils. $10, $19. Yan, ang mura talaga dito. And this and the...
very dirty, you need to just kind of hand sanitizer. It's $3 only.
Oh, you see that? $3 sa mga ano, guys. Pampabango ng CR. Yan siya, guys. There we go. Oh, we have a school supply here. School supply. Yes, you see the price. School supply. School supply, mga pin, mga scissors, mga notebook. See that?
So there's an electric fan if you feel hot.
Oh. we feel the fruit.
A massage also.
Oh. You see that? Yung mga kanila, guys. Mga ano sa ta?
39.
Gamay ko danay, gamay managkuan, buga. May electric fan ako dun sa bahay. Binihan ko na yun ng battery.
Just like the parents, but
Oh, yes.
but I think
Hindi na yung kailangan ng anak ko. Maano na yung...
so I need to.
Lapad pala na tindahan
My
na ito.
selfie stick is like
Oh.
I got it.
Oh, you buy here.
This one is 49.
Oh, it's very cheap.
79. So we must buy a
Yeah.
new one.
You want to buy?
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
They have also a speaker here. Oh, how much is speaker?
199.
199.
Oh, there's a gimbal here also.
What's that?
It's, you can feel like this. Naku, inani, wala ko nagimita.
Like, dito pala yung mga speaker, oh. Mga iba't ibang klase ng speaker, guys. Dito, guys, oh. Nandyan siya, guys. Grabe ang tao dito. Yeah, ba $9, Mau?
Sorry?
This $9 only. Pero it's mabigat siya, mabigat. Mabigat.
So, I need the very comfy one.
Dito ka. Dito ka.
Inani ako din. Dali naman gumaguba ni
Dito
Inani
ka.
ba?
Ba?
Ito ko So, hindi tong katong
Ito yung mga tripod. Tripod.
影相嘅啫喎。你想要咩架先？你手機架。
Pwede na doon tato. Pero dali naman ko siya maguba kanina ni Kani.
Yan, liso-liso.
So,
Bili ka tong ano. Saan yung ano nila dito, Mau? Yung ano? power bank. You have a power bank here? Saan? I want to buy a power bank. Ito mo, oh, may ano, may lights. I-ano mo sa yan sa ano. I-ano mo yan, i-install. I-install mo pala yan. Sino pala sila, guys?
你唔使跟住我嚟個實體數噶。
Sorry，睇住。